In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create in-text citations with Zotero. If you write research papers or reports, this workflow will save you time and keep your references consistent. We'll walk through the exact steps to insert a citation right where you need it in Microsoft Word using the Zotero plugin. I'll also point out a few tips so you understand why each click matters and how to avoid common formatting hiccups. First, open Microsoft Word and load the document you're working on. Place your cursor exactly where you want the in-text citation to appear. Getting the cursor placement right is important because Zotero will insert the citation at that location automatically. If you're updating an existing document, make sure you're in the correct paragraph or sentence to keep your references clear and readable. Next, go to the Zotero tab on the Word ribbon. This tab appears when the Zotero Word plugin is installed and enabled. If you don't see it, make sure Zotero is installed on your computer and that the Word plugin is active, then restart Word. Once the Zotero tab is visible, click it to reveal the citation tools you'll use for the rest of the process. Click Add Edit Citation. If this is the first citation in your document, Zotero will prompt you to select a citation style. Choose the style your assignment, journal, or organization requires. Common options include APA, MLA, and Chicago, and then click OK. Your choice here controls how your in-text citations look, such as author date, numeric superscripts, or footnote-based formats. Don't worry if you're unsure, you can change the style later and Zotero will reformat everything for you. After confirming the style, the Zotero citation picker opens. Use it to find the source you want to cite by typing an author name, title keyword, or year. Select the correct item from your library, double-check that it matches the source you used, and then click Accept. If you need to fine-tune the citation, the picker allows options like adding a page number or a prefix or suffix, which helps you meet specific style requirements without manual typing. Zotero now inserts the formatted in-text citation exactly where your cursor was. The citation will match the style you chose and stay linked to your Zotero library. You can continue writing, and if you need to adjust the reference later, place your cursor on the citation and use Add Edit Citation again. That's all it takes to create clean, consistent in-text citations with Zotero and Word.